Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's Marina here and I am going to show you how to make a vintage card. We need a piece of craft cardstock 300 GSM weight, 10 by 7 inches and fold it in half on the long side. To decorate the card, I printed some embellishments and a background from the travel journal kit by Victoria Designs on a 250 GSM weight cardstock. The link for the kit is down below in the description area. I wanted to give you the chance to experiment yourself on card making using digital papers. Now, just because all these embellishments do have a border all around and for my card I don't like it, I am going to fuzzy cut it carefully. From this sheet I am going to use 2 tickets. So let's go ahead and cut this sheet a 1/8 of an inch smaller than our card. We cut it at 6 7/8 of an inch by 4 7/8. Now I get all these bits and pieces in front of me. I love organization in my life and I believe you know this from my videos. 2 lovely butterflies, and to give this extra interest I am going to add some shading by using a brown distress ink. To some pieces, as well as the background, I decided to use my Stabilo pen to create some faux stitchings. If you prefer, you can take your scissors and scratch all around the paper to give an aging look like this. Let me show you what I mean. I put glue about half an inch a little further inside, and I am doing this because later on I maybe put some embellishments underneath. I am going to use some foam pads to give dimension to some of the elements, but if you don't have, you can simply use a piece of chipboard as well. And now I am adding some interest with my stabilo all around, and I think now the card is perfect. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment down below. See you next time, guys. Bye!